trying to work with them to understand together how to exploit this platform, this new platform, this new capability. Yatsi, can you bring us some experience of yours in the last year about this cooperation, co-innovation that you did with partners, with some of the partners?
Yeah. Actually, we work very closely with the development team and also with our partner as well for the co-innovation together. And then maybe just give you one example. I think last week I got a mail. It's from Computech. They say, oh, they want to do some demo job in TechSummit, but now they're having some problem want to put the dashboard frame into their video phone.
Yeah.
And then I said, yeah, it's possible, of course. And because we know we know it's progressive. It's kind of an HTML5 application. It's hosting in the Tomcat, and then we just know how to because it can be accessing from the browser, and then we just know to show the guy to you need to make a ActiveX control, and then you base on the what browser for that, and then you embed it into your phone, and then just browser in your phone there. So that's one example, and I was just given a couple of solution proposal for them, and they just make it in 2 days. It's very impressive. So this kind of almost is not this the one. If we might understand what is extreme for us. So like we would like to adopt the new technology, the power of HANA, the 2-tier, the technology, saying your application, your business logic is moving down the calculation, and all the things are trying to moving down, and then you benefit from the power of the in-memory computing engine. Yeah. And then on top of that, you build whatever all data and web service and the service layer, the very thin service layer, and then you can consume with any kind of client. Maybe it's a web client, or it's HTML5, or maybe the other client, any client as well. So for us, we for XtremeApp, what I'm thinking in the future, in the next 2 months, XtremeApp, for the transaction, yeah, you still need to go with the DI server, DI API, something like that. I see the Maringo, they already migrated their transaction based on the still using the DI API, and they build their application, they build the business logic based on the DI API for their business logic, and then they're using the XML5 for the client implementation, and they can solve with things for the XML5. They can solve the mobility, they can solve the mobile and the browser, and then also in the embedded business one as well. Yeah. That's the future. We say, you build the business logic, and maybe in the future will be on top of DI server, DI server plus, and then right now we for the first things we can build some XtremeApp for the analytics. Not for transaction. Yeah. You still can use it in transaction, but it's based on the API. And then when you having your make a model, design a good well designed model, and then get the value from the in-memory computing engine there, get the power from the in-memory computing engine there, and then you can do the analytics thing, and with the XML5 application there, and then you can deploy to any device anywhere.
Yeah, I think you just described 2 cases in which basically SAP provided a bridge between what is coming out of development and what are the needs of the partners. I think it's very important for the partners to understand what is the direction that SAP is making, and I think this week that has been made pretty clear, I would say. And then I think it's important for the partners to be able to quickly adopt this innovation and bring it to real business cases. So SAP fully understand that. For us, it's extremely important that you adopt this innovation and then you bring it to the market, because at the end of the day, you are the one that are bringing to the market. You are the one closest to the market, and we fully appreciate that and we fully understand that. So we are here fully engaged in helping you to do that, Erasmus.
But also thinking about